Now that you've collected your data, how do you actually analyze it? Let's get started. Find the mean, mode, median, and range of this group of data. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to put the data in order. So, what's the smallest number? 58. And then it's 63, 63, 66, 71, 74, 79. Oh, I forgot 77. 77, 79. And 81. Okay, cool. So that's the first step, right? Now let's go with all of these. The major reason why we want to put it in order is to find the median. The median is simply the middle number. Okay? So how many numbers are in here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So the middle number is simply going to be the number plus 1 divided by 2. And there's 9 numbers, plus 1 over 2 is 10. 10 divided by 5, 2, 5. Okay? So number 5 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we can say that the median is equal to 71. Okay? The mode is very easy. The mode is simply the most. So the mode is the most, which is the number that appears the most, which is... That's meant to be 63, not 36. So if you are confused in the comments, that's why. And we can see that 63 is the only number that appears twice. So the mode is 63. Okay? The range is simply biggest take away smallest. So therefore, the range is going to be 81, which is our smallest number, minus 58. And when we plug that into our calculators, we get an answer of 23. So 23 is our range, okay? The mean is simply all the numbers added up divided by how many numbers there are. Okay? So this is just going to be 58 plus 63 plus 63 plus 66 plus 71 plus 74 plus 77 plus 79 plus 81, all divided by 9, which is the same as 632 divided by 9, which is 70.2. Okay, so that is our mean, mode, median, and range. Is this video helpful to you? Make sure you subscribe, as it only helps me better my explanations. Let's try again, but for this time we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 numbers. Okay, so the first thing we need to do, exactly the same as before, put them in order, which they already are, thank God. Okay, so for this one, the median, the middle number, is simply going to be Well, how many numbers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Plus 1 divided by 2. And so we should get an answer of 4.5. Why is it 4.5? Well, 4.5, as you guys know, is between 4 and 5, okay? So if we go to number 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and to number 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, it's simply going to be the mean of those two numbers. The median is simply going to be 280 plus 280 over 2. In this case, we're very lucky because the numbers are the same, so it's just going to be 280. The mode in this case, well, let's take a look. 280 appears twice, 360 appears twice, and everything else appears once. Sure. So the mode is just going to be 280 or 360. Okay? The range is just biggest takeaway smallest. So the range is going to be 400 minus 120, which is equal to 280. And finally, the mean. The mean is just going to be all the numbers added up divided by how many numbers there are. So we got 120 plus 200 plus 240 plus 280 plus 280 plus 360 plus 360 plus 400, all divided by 8, which is the same as writing 2,240 divided by 8, which is the same as 280. Do you need more help with this topic? Not a problem. Join my Discord server down below and ask me whatever questions you want with fast responses guaranteed. Let's go on to this last question. For this one, we know that Jeremy caught 8 fish in a contest, and we're given that the mean is 4.2625. But he didn't record one of the last fish. The first 7 are 4, 5.6, 6.1, 2.8, 3.5, 4.2 and 4.4. So what was the weight of his last fish? Well, we know he caught 8 fish. And we know the mean was 4.2625. So therefore the total mass is just 4.2625 times 8. Okay? Which is the same as 34.1 kilograms. That is the total fish that he has. How much does that last fish weigh? Well, this is what all the other fish weigh. So therefore, the last fish is just going to be 34.1 minus all of this. If we add all these together, we get 4 plus 5.6 plus 6.1 plus 2.8 plus 3.5 plus 4.2 plus 4.4, which is the same as 30.6. And so therefore the last fish weighs 34.1 minus 30.6, which is equal to 3.5 kilograms. Okay? Now work out the mode, median, and range. Well, we can see that these aren't in order, so let's put them in order. 2.8, 3.5, 3.5. What else have we got? 4, 4.2, 4.4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 5.6, and 6.1. Okay? We can safely say that the mode, what comes twice? 3.5 and 3.5 both come twice, so the mode is equal to 3.5. Okay? The median, well, let's see. The middle number, first and foremost, is going to be 8 plus 1 over 2, 4.5. Okay, that's between number 4 and number 5. So the median is just going to be the mean of those two. 4.2 plus 4 over 2. I gave away the answer. It's 4.1. Okay? The range is just going to be big minus small. Our biggest number is 6.1. Our smallest number is 2.8. So the range is simply going to be 3.3. And those are our 4 averages. If you guys want to pass your exams with flying colours, drop me an email and we can organise a meeting and a quote. Thank you for watching. Keep on learning, as you have no idea what you're capable of doing.